Slide set. 1. You should stand towards zone 4. 2. Right foot should be in front. 3. You should use your wrist to set, not your elbows. 4. Throw the ball slightly ahead of yourself. If you throw the ball above your head, there is a possibility of injury. Backslide set. 1. Your body should be in a normal position. Don't push yourself backwards. 2. The ball should be slightly away from you so that the player can spike in any direction. 2. Shot set. 1. Use your elbow to set. 2. Adjust the height of the set according to the height of the player.